Curves is an adjustment layers that I think of it sort of like levels, but on steroids. Curves is one that you control lightness and darkness and contrast, but with a greater range of precision, possible. So here's one where I just have simple adjustment layer on this to sort of brighten it up. But I'll show you how it works. So let's add a fresh curves adjustment here. And looking at it here, you have some sliders. So right here you have this slider that will essentially control just value information. How dark, how light you want it to be. You can move that up here too if you want overall. We're just looking at this line right here. If you want the image overall to be much more bright, then you can control brightness along this side of it, and you can control value range here along the bottom, much like with levels or with brightness and contrast. But then from there you can click on this inner part and you have sort of your value range here. So if you want to take your 70 to 80% dark values and just brighten those up while leaving other things pretty dark, that's what you're able to do. And so now I can bring down the values of some of the brighter ones or whatever, and really, as I said, much more precisely control what you're looking at. And you can do this from within specific color channels too. So just taking reds and brightening them up, for example, or taking greens and brightening them up, can be a very powerful one to use, one to explore and experiment with quite a bit. Curves, super useful.